Hello everyone, good morning. Today it's a fantastic day. We are working on a simple activity. This activity is going to help you to learn the complete next topic of mathematics. I'm taking these two topics together. One is corner geometry and next is linear equation into variable. These two topics have got relation between it. That's the reason we are taking it together. As soon as we complete this topic, we are going to go ahead with the science part. So it's a very simple, small work, very simple and small work. Today's task is at least very interesting, very simple. What the activity is? In fact, today we are going to work on a relation between algebra and geometry. So let us understand कि ये दोनों चीज़ें अलग अलग है या सेम है. Let me tell you, these two are interrelated and they are in fact the same thing. Okay, so let us understand a small relation between algebra and geometry. So let us see. If I take any equation as such, any algebraic equation, like imagine x plus y is equals to 5. Now this particular equation is associated with some kind of a geometric figure. Some kind of geometric figure. Don't know which one it is that. But it is associated with some kind of geometric figure. And you right now can easily identify in short time what type of figure this can give us. Okay, not only this, even like if I say y is equals to x square minus 7x plus 5 is another equation. Now this equation is also associated with one of the geometric figure. Okay, not only this, like x square plus y square is equals to 7. Even these all kind of equation are also going to give us some kind of a geometric figure. This year you have only linear equation, linear algebraic equation. Now out of these three, which one is linear algebraic equation is this one. This is called as a linear algebraic equation. Why we call this as a linear algebraic equation? Because the variable has got power 1. You can check the variable as x and y has got power 1. That's why we call this as linear. Saying this as linear has got another reason as well that we will be discussing when we understand the geometric part of the same equation. But yes, one thing is true that as it has got a 1, degree 1, the equation has got degree 1. Now after polynomial topic you must have got it. Degree क्या होता है? Highest power. So as it has got degree 1, we call it as a linear equation. Then it is also linear equation in two variable. Now what is linear equation in two variable? 2 means both variable like x and y both are here. That's why we call it as linear equation in two variables. That's it. Isn't it interesting and simple? So of course you forget these two things. Let us just basically understand one equation, that is x plus y is equals to 5. Of course we call it as linear equation. Now imagine if I want the solution of this particular equation. Solution. What do you mean by solution? In case if I say x is equals to 2x is equals to 6. The solution means finding x is equals to 3. है ना? The value of x which will satisfy. So if I put the value of 3 here in this equation, I get 3 into 2, 6, and that will be equating 6 is equal to 6. Now this is the way how I can find out the solution. So if I ask you, okay, can you find out the solution such a way that okay, addition of these two will give me 5. Okay, so you can easily say, sir, 3 plus 2. So x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. So one can say, why can't it be 4 plus 1? Means x equals to 4 and y is equals to 1. One can say, sir, then 5 comma 0 also can be the solution. Because 5 plus 0 is 5. Not only this, I can even take minus 6 and 11. Minus 6 plus 11 is 5 again. I can go for 6 comma minus 1. I can go for 1 by 2 and 9 by 2. check करो addition, is it 5? So one simple question I am asking you, how many such solutions you can find? How many such solutions you can find? Yes, we can find infinite solution. है ना interesting? We can find infinite solutions of this equation, right? Is this clear? Now some interesting work I'll do. If I give a bracket to this, isn't it, it will look like a x coordinate and y coordinate, है ना? The value of x is x coordinate and value of y is y coordinate. If so, then is it possible to draw its graph? Let us check. Is it really possible to draw its graph? See, we are slowly entering in the geometry, है ना? Possible लेके देखते हैं, ठीक है? This is your x axis and here is your y axis. First is 3 comma 2. So 3 comma 2, the point will be here. Second is 4 comma 1. So 4 1, the point will be here. 5 comma 0, the point is here. Minus 6 comma 11, I don't know whether it is possible to fit into this, or but still I'll check. Minus 6, no, it's not possible. Okay, it is too long, too away. ठीक है, तो ये cancel कर देते right now. 6 minus 1, 6 from 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 minus 1 is here. Half and 9 by 2, 9 by 2 means 4.5, half means 0.5, so half is here. 4.5, where is 4.5? This is 4.5, somewhere here it will come, है ना? Now what do you find here? If I draw the straight line from all these 4 points, is it possible that one straight line can pass through all the 4 points? Check कर लो. Yes, exactly. So what I understand from this is this particular equation is now going to represent a straight line. And let me tell you, that's the reason this is called as a linear equation, because this equation gives you a straight line. So isn't it, this algebra is going to give you a geometric figure, and which is associated with the straight line, right? As it is a straight line, we call this equation as a linear equation. Okay, so stating or considering this as a linear equation has got two reasons. One is degree 1, power 1, and second, when we draw the graph of it, when we draw a geometric figure of it, it is going to be a straight line. Clear? Got it? इंटरेस्टिंग है ना? बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ है कि एक अल्जेब्रा हमें एक ज्योमेट्रिक फिगर दे रहा है. ओके, तो देखते हैं ऐसे हम सारे ज्योमेट्रिक फिगर, यही सारे अल्जेब्रिक इक्वेशन कैन गिव अस द स्ट्रेट लाइन. लेट अस सी. तो विल चूज वन सॉरी, विल चूज वन सिंपल इक्वेशन, अनदर इक्वेशन. तो देखते हैं ये इक्वेशन कैसे रहेगा. मे बी x माइनस वाई इज इक्वल्स टू 7, इट्स लाइक दैट. ठीक है, तो देखते हैं. 7 जरा ज़्यादा बड़ा हो गया ना नंबर, थोड़ा सा छोटा करते हैं. 3 लेते हैं. ओके, सो व्हाट आर दोज वैल्यूज दैट कैन गिव अस 3 आंसर. देखते हैं. इमेजिन एक्स इज इक्वल्स टू 4 लिया तो वाई इज इक्वल्स टू 1 हो जाएगा. देख लो, 3 आ जाता है आंसर. ठीक है, 5 2, देन वी हैव 6 3, 7 4, and so on. And how many such equations I can find? Yes, true, infinitely many. ठीक है, तो मैं ग्राफ ड्रॉ करने की कोशिश करता हूँ, देखते हैं स्ट्रेट लाइन आता है क्या. ओके, 4 comma 1, here is 4, here is 1. 5 comma 2, 5 comma 2, right? 6 comma 3, ये रहा. 7 comma 4, 7 comma 4, ये रहा. I can easily say that kid, yes, there is a straight line passing through it, right? थोड़ा सा गलती हो गया वहाँ पे, राइट? बट ये स्ट्रेट लाइन तो इन्फाइनेटली एक्सटेंड होता है, isn't it? I can extend it at any direction. I can extend it at both the direction, right? At any distance, right? So just now what I said, okay, this has got infinitely many solution, infinite solution, right? It has got infinite solution. So let me tell you why it has got infinite solution. This straight line represent the equation x minus y is equals to 3. बराबर है ना? This particular straight line represent the equation x minus y is equal to 3. Can you tell me how many points this straight line has got? Okay, straight line, any line का definition यही है कि there are infinitely many point on this particular line, है ना? It is made up of infinitely many points, right? And believe me, each point gives you solution of this equation. Each point on this straight line. Each point if I take, it gives me the solution of this equation. Okay, whatever point if I say, so imagine if it is a here and it is b here, so this will satisfy this equation, that is a minus b is equals to 3, right? So any point on this equation will satisfy the given equation. And how many points this straight line has got? Yes, this straight line has got infinitely many points. And the same thing, as solutions are infinite, here the points on this line are also infinitely many. Got it clear? Understood? Fine. Okay. So what is your task today? That's it. I have to teach you the same simple thing today. What is your task? What is the activity? You have to draw some graphs today associated with this kind of equations. Okay, are you ready? इंटरेस्टिंग है, बहुत सिंपल है, बहुत इजी भी है, कुछ ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट नहीं है. मैं बस ये बोलने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि यू हैव टू जस्ट ड्रॉ सम ग्राफ्स ऑफ द इक्वेशन. तो इमेजिन करो कि पहला वाला मैंने ऐसे दिया x प्लस वाई इज इक्वल्स टू 5. तो सॉल्यूशन आपको फाइंड करना है 3-4, इनफाइनाइट नहीं करने हैं, तो इनफाइनाइट करते बैठोगे. सॉल्यूशन आपको 3-4 फाइंड करने हैं एंड जस्ट पुट दैट ऑन द ग्राफ एंड दैट्स इट. ठीक है. सेकेंड इक्वेशन देता हूँ मैं आपको, x माइनस वाई इज इक्वल्स टू 2 दिया. थर्ड देता हूँ 2x प्लस वाई इज इक्वल्स टू 7. सो जस्ट आपको आज कुछ नहीं करना, 3 ग्राफ ड्रॉ करने हैं एंड दैट्स इट. योर वर्क इज डन, टुडेज वर्क इज डन. एंड बिलीव मी, आपका पूरा टॉपिक इज बेस्ड ऑन ओनली ऑन दिस कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ ड्रॉइंग द ग्राफ. Okay, tomorrow we are going to make it easy. That means we are going to work on systematic presentation of any of the equation. At the same time, we are going to draw more graphs of such kind of equations. Okay, लेकिन आज का आपका काम इतना ही है, आपको बस ये 3 ग्राफ ड्रॉ करने हैं. फाइंड सम सॉल्यूशंस ऑफ इट. Okay, and draw the graph. And one more thing, if you're not able to find the solutions, if you're not able to draw the graph, it's fine. It's fine, because we are going to learn in the tomorrow's session that how to draw systematic graph of the equation. But I don't think it is so difficult. It is very, very simple. Being in 9th standard, you can easily play with numbers. So just it is to play with the numbers. It's a simple activity I'm giving you, and I'm hoping that you all will complete it. Thank you so much. That's it for today. Yesterday it was given a gap so that some students, those who all are lacking behind, those can easily come with everyone. Okay, so I'm sure, I know everyone, I have seen everyone is doing very things very properly. Everyone is actually working on the questions. Good. I'm really very happy. Expecting you all people, you all of you, to properly work on it and send me all the solutions. Okay, so thank you so much. Bye bye. See you next day.